Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to download the APE Minecraft Pocket Edition 0.12 to browser, and I'm gonna link this in the description below. Mediafire. Download it. In loading, and when you start downloading it will show in here. When you download it, install it. When you installed it, yay, you have the Minecraft Pocket Edition. It really works at a time. Just install it. Yeah. When you start installing it, and then you have this Pocket Edition. Minecraft Pocket Edition. Yeah. This is now a Minecraft Pocket Edition. You can start downloading it, playing with it. Thank you for watching, and I see you next time. Bye.